Meaning of Glencoe.
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 Glencoe. Glencoe is a village located in the Scottish Highlands. The name Glencoe comes from the Gaelic word Glencomhan, which means narrow valley of the River Coe. It is famous for its breathtaking scenery, including steep-sided mountains and a deep valley, as well as for its rich history and heritage. Glencoe is also known for the tragic massacre that occurred in 1692, where many members of the MacDonald clan were murdered by government forces. Today, Glencoe is a popular tourist destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, climbing, and skiing.